Good morning, students, and welcome for your next maths lecture. Now, students, you all know in the previous lecture we completed with the chapter that is multiplication and division. Okay, so students, today we are going to start with the new chapter. So, now let us see further which new chapter we are going to begin from today. Now students, this is an index part. So now let us begin with a new chapter. Already we are studying from the part 1, right? So we have completed the 4 chapters. Those are Roman numerals, number work, addition and subtraction, and multiplication and division. These 4 chapters we have completed, and students, from today we are going to start the new chapter, that is fractions, that is fifth number, that is fractions. So now let us study further the chapter that is fractions. So students, now we are going to study the new chapter that is fractions. Okay, now you all can see whatever is visible on your screen, that is chapter number 5, and it is fractions. So first we are going to learn that is equivalent fractions, which is written in the blue color, that is being highlighted. That is what equivalent fractions. Now let us learn about equivalent fractions. Okay, now if one bhakri is divided equally between two people, each one will get half a bhakri. Suppose there is a one bhakri. Bhakri, you all know, you might be eating bhakri, chapati. Yes, it is in a circular shape. If टू पीपल वॉन्ट्स टू ईट, मतलब 2 जन को एक भाकरी खानी है तो दोनों को हाफ हाफ मिलेगी, बराबर. वन विल गेट अ हाफ ऑफ ए भाकरी. द फ्रैक्शन हाफ इज रिटन एज 1/2. द फ्रैक्शन हाफ इज रिटन एज 1/2. हाफ को कैसे लिखते हैं? 1/2. पहले 1, फिर उसके नीचे 2, दैट इज 1/2. दैट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हाफ. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. जहाँ पे 1 है, 1 ऊपर है, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूमरेटर. और 2 नीचे है, तो उसको बोलते हैं डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट, one bhakri was divided into 4 equal parts. Now first there was one bhakri and it was divided into 2 equal parts, so it was a half. Okay, now there is another one bhakri, and it was divided into 4 equal parts. एक भाकरी के अभी कितने पार्ट्स बना है? 4. ओके, 2 of the parts were given away. उसमें से 4 पार्ट्स बनाए थे, उसमें से 2 पार्ट्स को क्या किया? उन्होंने दे दिया. दिस इज शोन एज 2/4. वाई 2/4? नीचे 4 है क्योंकि कितने पार्ट्स बनाए उन्होंने? 4 पार्ट्स बनाए, बराबर. उसमें से कितने दे दिए उन्होंने? 2 पार्ट्स. तो ऊपर क्या आएगा? 2, और नीचे आएगा 4. वाई 4? बिकॉज 4 इज वॉट? टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. एंड वाई न्यूमरेटर इज 2? बिकॉज 2 पार्ट्स वर गिवन अवे. ओके, हियर 2 इज द न्यूमरेटर and 4 is the denominator. This 2 means that half of a bhakri was given. अभी यहाँ पे हाफ कैसे हो गया? एक भाकरी का अगर 2 पार्ट्स करेंगे तो हाफ होता है, बराबर. तो वो जो एक पार्ट है उसके अगर आप 2 पार्ट्स करेंगे तो भी हाफ हो गया, बराबर. तो 4 पार्ट्स थे, एक भाकरी के 4 पार्ट्स थे, उसमें से 4 पार्ट्स में से उन्होंने 2 पार्ट्स दे दिए, तो भाकरी का आधा ही पार्ट बच गया ना. सो दैट मीन्स इट इज ऑल्सो एन हाफ. ओके, now look at the next example. 6 equal parts were made of one melon. One melon means watermelon, or you can say orange. Not watermelon, you can say orange. Okay, 6 equal parts were made of one melon. They were shared equally by 2 people. It means that the part that each one got was 3/6. अभी एक ऑरेंज था, उसके कितने पार्ट्स बनाए उन्होंने? 6 पार्ट्स. उसको ऑरेंज को 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स में उन्होंने डिवाइड किया, ठीक है, 6 पार्ट्स के. और वो जो 6 पार्ट्स है वो सिर्फ 2 जनों को ही देना था. those 6 parts were supposed to be given to only 2 people. ओके सो एक को 3 मिल गए और दूसरे को 3 मिल गए, मतलब बराबर से मिला, उसको भी 3 मिला, उसको भी 3 मिला, मीन्स 6 parts are being given together. Okay, so first person got 3 parts, another person got 3 parts, so that is also half. So half melon is eaten by one person and half melon is eaten by the another person. Okay, so each one actually got half the melon. Thus 3/6 also shows the fraction 1/2. Why 3/6? Because 6 is in the denominator. Why? Because one melon was divided into 6 parts. Okay, and from that each person got 3 parts. So 3 parts were given to one person, so it is 3/6. Okay, so in the 3 examples above, the fraction half has been shown by 1/2, 2/4 and 3/6 respectively. Okay, it means that the value of all 3 fractions is the same. This is written as 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 3/6. Such fractions of equal value are called equivalent fractions. Means when you are making a fraction but it is similar to the half only, so those fractions are known as an equivalent fractions. Okay, such fractions, agar aapko fractions, if you make any fractions and those fractions are giving you the equal value, so those fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Okay students, so this was the one important part of the fractions, those are equivalent fractions. Okay, now let us study further. Now students, we are going to solve the next problem set, that is problem set 17. Okay, in this there are total 5 main questions. In this problem set there are total 5 main questions. Okay, let us solve one question one by one, each question. Okay, so in that first question is write the proper number in the box, and in that total 8 sums are there. Okay, now I'll solve each and every sum and I'll explain you all. So I want that you should pay attention while I'm explaining this problem set 17. Okay, pay attention now. Now students, we are going to solve this problem set 17. Okay, in that first question is write the proper number in the box. First question is write the proper number in the box. First one is 1/2 is equal to, numerator we have to find out and the denominator they have given. Now let us solve this first one. Now students, you can see here I have written the question problem set 17. Question number 1. There is no need of copying the whole question, you just have to write the proper question number. Okay, so question number 1, first one is 1/2 is equal to, numerator we have to find out and the denominator they have given us. Okay students, now students look at the denominator. Here it is 20 and here it is 2. Which is the smaller one? 2. Okay, now students, which is the bigger number? 20. Is 20 divisible by 2? मतलब 22 के टेबल में आता है? Yes or no? Yes. 2 tens is 20. Therefore, how you will solve it? Therefore, 1/2 is equal to, again you will write 1/2. 2 how many are 20? 2 tens are. अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करेंगे तो अल्टीमेटली न्यूमरेटर में भी you have to do multiply by 10. So you will get the answer as 1 tens are 10 and 2 tens are 20. Therefore 1/2 is equal to 10/20. Numerator मिल गया. You got the numerator. We wanted to find out the numerator, but to find out the numerator we need to look at the denominator. Okay, so 1/2 is equal to question mark upon 20. So 1/2, so 20 is divisible by 2, that is 2 tens are 20. So we did the simple multiplication. How we got the 20? By 2 tens are 20. So we just solve. If you are multiplying the denominator with the 10, so you have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. You can't change the number over here. Okay, so you multiplied 1 multiplied by 10, 2 multiplied by 10. So 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20. So what is the numerator over here? 10. 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 20. Is that clear? First one? Okay. Now students, look at the second one. Second one, they have given 3 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon box. That means you have to find out the denominator. In first sum, what we find out? The numerator. Second sum, we have to find out the denominator. Okay, now look at this number 15. Is 15 coming in 3's table? How many is a? 3 5's are. Therefore you will write 3 upon 4 is equal 15 3 के टेबल में आता है. How many is a? 3 5's are. So we will write it as 3 multiplied by 5. Down it is 4. So 4 also multiplied by 5. You can't change the number here. Okay. So 3 5's are 15. 4 5's are 20. Okay. So therefore 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 5's are 15. 4 5's are 20. तो डिनोमीटर क्या मिला हमें? 20. Understood? Now look at the third one. It is 9 upon 11 is equal to 18 upon. We have to find out the denominator. Okay. Now again, now 18 is coming in 9's table. How many is a? 9 2's are. Very good. So you will write 9 upon 11 is equal to 9 2's are 18, right? So 11 multiplied by 2. If you are multiplying 2 in the numerator, you have to multiply 2 in the denominator as well. Okay. 9 2's are 18. 11 2's are 22. Therefore 9 upon 11 is equal to 9 2's are 18. 11 2's are 22. So the final answer is 22. Understood how to solve this? Okay. Now students, look at the fourth one. It is 10 upon 40 is equal to numerator we have to find out and denominator they have given. Which is the smaller number? 8. Okay. Now 8 is a smaller number. Is 40 coming in 8's table? Yes. 8 5's are 40. Okay. So how you are supposed to write this? Therefore 10 upon 40 is equal to numerator we don't know. Okay. Now how to solve this sum? 10 upon 40. 40 is bigger number and 8 is a smaller number. We have to find out the numerator. But if you will do 8 multiplied by 5, you will get the 40. But what is the next number over here? That you need. So what you have to do? You need to do the division. That is 5 ke 8 5's are 40, right? So if you will do 40 divide by 5, and here you will take 10 divide by 5. Okay. So what answer you will get? 5 के टेबल में 40 आता है. How many is a? 5 8's are. This 8 you got it. 5 के टेबल में 10 आता है. How many is a? 5 2's are. So the answer is 2. Therefore 10 upon 40 is equal to 2 upon 8. This is division sum. Now how? Because 8 is a smaller number and you can, 8 5's is 40. But which number you will be multiplying over here in the numerator? So you need to do the division. You have to see whether 40 is coming in 8's table. Yes. How many is a 5's are? So we will do 40 divided by 5. If you are dividing 40 by 5, so you have to divide 10 also with 5. Okay. So you will get the answer as 2 upon 8. And the final answer is 10 upon 40 is equal to 2 upon 8. Now students, we are going to solve the second question, that is find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. आपको क्या करना है? इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 18 ही रहेगा. ओके. फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस, मतलब अभी ये फ्रैक्शन जो है वो हमें सॉल्व करके इसका आंसर डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लाना है? 18 लाना है. सो लेट अस सॉल्व फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज 1 upon 2. सी नाउ योर इट इज़ 1/2. आपको नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में आंसर क्या चाहिए? 18 चाहिए. उन्होंने क्या बोला? इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाना है और डिनोमिनेटर में 18 ही चाहिए. ओके, सो 18 इज कमिंग इन 2 टेबल. Yes, 2 9s are 18. So you will do like this. 1/2 multiplied by 9. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So if you are multiplying denominator with 9, so you have to multiply it with numerator also. So answer is 9. 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Okay, you got the answer. Second one is 2/3. डिनोमिनेटर में हमको क्या चाहिए? 18. सो यू हैव टू सी वेदर 18 इज कमिंग इन 3's टेबल. इज इट कमिंग? येस. 3 6 are. सो विल डू 3 multiply by 6. So here also you will multiply by 6. That is 2 6 are 14. 3 6 are 18. Okay. Third one is 4/6. Again you want your denominator to be 18. Now 18 is coming in 6 table. Yes, 6 how many is a? 6 3s are. So 4/6. 6 3s are 18. So multiply by 3 with denominator as well as numerator. 4 3s are 12. 6 3s are 18. So you got your answer. Okay. In this way, students, you have to solve the question number 2. Now, students, look at the third one. What they have told: find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fractions. They have given your fractions, students, and you have to make their denominator as 5. Now, how to make their denominator as 5? Let us study that. Now, students, you have to see 15. आपको डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चाहिए? 5. ओके, तो 5 के टेबल में 15 आता है. yes. So how many is 5? 3s are. So that means what you will do? 15 divided by 3. Ultimate 3. Okay, 5 के टेबल में 15 आता है. how many is 5? 3s are. That is 15 divided by 3. You will get the answer as 5. And 3 के टेबल में 6 आता है. how many is 3 2s are 6. You got the answer as 5. Okay. Next 10/25. 25 5 के टेबल में आता है. how many is 5 5s are. So you will divide 25 by 5 and here 10 you will divide by 5. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. So you got the denominator as 5. Yes. Now students, so the question number 4. From the fractions given below, pair of the equivalent fractions. अभी ये जो fractions दिए ना उसमें से आपको क्या करना है? Pairing करना है. Okay, now look at the first 2/3. Okay, 2/3. So we'll start from here. 18 is coming in 3's table. how many is 3 6 ऊपर क्या है? 14. 14. तो if you are doing multiplying 3 multiplied by 6, so here also it will become 2 multiplied by 6. So 2 6 is 12. लेकिन यहाँ पे 12 है नहीं, मतलब ये नंबर नहीं हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट 33. 33 is coming. 3 11s are 33. 2 11s is 22. Here it is 22. No, so this number is also not pairing. Next is 27 here, denominator 27. So 3 9s are 27 and 2 9s are 18. So multiplying 9 by both the numbers by numerator and denominator, you will get the answer as 18/27. So we will pair this number with 2/3. In this way, students, you have to do the pairing. Once you finish pairing with 2/3 is equal to 18/27, you will start with the next number, that is 5/7. Then start from here again 14/18. Check this, then this, then this. Okay, in this way, students, you have to do the pairing of these fractions. Here, students, question number 5, it is find 2 equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. You have to do the multiplication here, and you have to find out the equivalent fractions. Okay, suppose 7 upon 9, so 7 upon 9, so 7 multiply by 2 and 9 multiply by 2, so that is 14 upon 18. Okay, and then again you can do with 5 also. You can do it with various numbers, and you just have to find the equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. Now students, we are going to start the next concept, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, we have solved problems at 17. Now we are going to proceed further with the next part, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions such as 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7 whose denominators are equal are called like fractions. Like fractions कौन से है? जिसके denominators same number है, जिसके denominators equal है, those fractions are known as like fractions. Okay, fractions such as 1 upon 3, 4 upon 8, 9 upon 11 which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. जिस fractions के denominators अलग अलग है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? unlike fractions. Okay, now students, we are going to solve with problem set 18. Convert the given fractions into like fractions. Now these fractions are all unlike fractions. You can say all the denominators are different. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to convert it into like fractions. You have to make their denominators equal. Now how to make their denominators equal? Now let us solve the first one, that is 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Okay, now your students, problem set 18, first one is 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Now their denominators are not equal, means those are unlike fractions. We have to convert them into like fractions. So what you are supposed to do is that in denominator which number is less? 4. Okay, and bigger number is 8. Is 8 coming in 4's table? Is 8 is divisible by 4? Yes. 4 how many is a? 2's are. Therefore 3 upon 4. 4 2's are 8, so 4 multiply by 2, and so here also it will be 3 multiply by 2. So that is equal to 3 upon 2 is 3 2's are 6, 4 2's are 8, comma that number will be as it is 5 upon 8. ओके, क्योंकि हमको यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाना है, तो अभी डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया. देयरफॉर 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. You got the like fraction? Understood how to convert it and how to make the denominators equal? Okay, now let us solve the second one. Now here students, second one is 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. Which number is smaller? 5. But is it 7 divisible by 5? No. दोनों एक दूसरे के टेबल में नहीं आते, तो अभी क्या करना है आपको? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना. नाउ यू हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन सच अ वे दैट यू विल गेट द डिनोमिनेटर्स एज इक्वल. ओके, you have to do the cross multiplication. When the denominators are not divisible by any of the number of the denominator, you need to do the cross multiplication. Like how? 3 upon 5, this is 7. Multiply by 7, multiply by 7. Okay? Next number is 3 upon 7. Multiply by this 5. That is called क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, ये 7 को ये फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड दिस 5 यू हैव मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस फ्रैक्शन. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व इट. 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. So now your denominators are equal. Yes, you have converted it into like fractions. Now students, look at the third one. It is 4 upon 5 comma 3 upon 10. Now 10 is divisible by 5. Yes, 5 2s are. So therefore 10 5 के टेबल में आता. So you have to do 4 upon 5. 10 how many is are? 5 2s are is 10. So here also you will write it as 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, comma 3 upon 10. Here you don't have to do cross multiplication because this number is divisible by 5. When the numbers are not divisible denominators, that time you will do the cross multiplication. So the final answer is 8/10 and 3/10. Okay, so students, in this way you have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, and you have to solve the problem set 18. Okay. Now students, for your today homework is that solve problem set 17 and 18 in your maths notebook and combined book number 2. You have to solve this both the problem set, that is problem set 17 and 18, in your maths notebook as well as in your combined book, and you have to complete this homework and you have to send it to me on my personal number by today itself before 6 p.m. Okay.